Well, I told you there was going to be a new truck on the way. It's too bad I didn't get to it before it got dirty. I just picked it up like yesterday, and I haven't had time. I never got time when it was right out of the shop to do a video on it. So, hey, look at this shiny thing. Yes, this is an older Duramax. It is a 2007, which means it's an LBZ. And that's probably the biggest reason of why I bought the truck. It's really clean. Well, I mean, it was. Now it's kind of dirty. It's got just the 6-inch lift and the 35s. That's the only thing that's done to this truck. So it does not have a tuner. It is not programmed. It just has the lift. It has stock exhaust, stock intake. But yeah, it's really clean. So like I said, it's a diesel, the LBZ, which means pre-emissions. Let's take a quick look under the hood here. Not much to see. I mean, kind of you see in one Duramax, you seen them all. Clean under the hood. Very nice clean truck. It's got some miles on it, but this truck has been treated very well. I have 2 inspection reports on it, both from different parties. So this truck is actually at 100%. There's nothing wrong with this truck. Like, everything works. The front end's tight. It's been inspected twice, and both results came back at 100%. So this truck is brand spanking new. And of course, the crew cab. And don't mind that, I can just hide under there. Crew cab, no DVD player in this one because it's got the sunroof. Can't have both, but power everything. Leather, all the leather's in, you know, pretty good shape. It's I mean, it's warped a little, but this truck hasn't really been used a whole lot. So let's hop into the pilot seat here. Let's go ahead and we'll start up the old girl. And it sounds nice. Of course, it's got the XM radio because that was actually a huge selling point for me, was XM. I love my XM radio. I have a hard time going without my XM, but yeah, it's got the sunroof and everything. I'm not gonna, I shouldn't crack it because it's actually below zero out. Yeah, but besides that, it's actually stock interior. It's got all the steering wheel controls. It's got the ass warmers right there. Sorry for the boys in the back, you don't get it. But pretty clean truck, no mods. I've only got a few days on it, but I gotta say, everything works. All the 4x4 works. It's got a good set of actually aftermarket bulbs in it, so it puts out some good light, that's for sure. I really have not moved into this truck, except for the candy in the door. I haven't moved into this truck at all yet. Everything's empty. Oh, the back, of course, I can't reach. Okay, there's cup holders in that. And because we know that you guys are alcoholics, we got all sorts of cup holders for the back seat. I had a 2004 it was an LB7, and that's why I got rid of it. Then I had that 2014 Duramax, you all remember, but this truck, oh, you know, it costs about $40,000 less. So this is an LBZ that is super happy. And that's why I bought it, because they're getting more and more desirable. And let's go listen to it run. And I cracked the window because I'm scared of locking my keys in. And it is windy out here. So hopefully the wind cut is working well enough. Exhaust. It's beautiful. Let's get some, yeah, there we go. It's got the sprayed box liner too, forgot to mention that. The truck is in very good shape. All black. That's the way I like everything, blacked out. So that is good news for me. Of course, I still have my white truck. I'm not getting rid of that because I like that old 98, that white one. But the biggest problem I had with that truck was that it's an extended cab. So when you put Sean in there, we can get him into the extended cab. It's got the third door. Getting him into the extended cab, that's fine in the back seat. But when we're trying to get Sean out of the truck, we need a crowbar with about an 8-foot snipe, and usually we can pry him, get in there against the roof of the truck and the pry bar, and we can usually pop him out of the extended cab, and it's okay after that. But he started complaining about that too much, started getting bruises and stuff from the crowbars, so we had to put a stop to that. It was that, and then the speaker on that side was starting to go, and you know, you used to be able to have it so you could turn up the music so loud you couldn't hear him complain, but now that speaker's starting to go, you have to listen to him pretty much the whole way you go anywhere. And we decided that you know what, we needed a crew cab for Shawnee. This truck's for you, Sean. Thanks everybody for watching this video. I'm sorry I went through everything so fast. It is freaking cold out and it's windy. I'm gonna get back into the habit of making more regular videos. Everything has just been so crazy busy for me lately. I have barely had time to do anything. Smash that like button down below. Do what you do best. Subscribe and comment. See everybody in the next video.
What are you doing? What happened over there?
I can smash through the branches but missed everything else.
Nice.
Oh, that scared me. Did you hear me swearing?
Oh my god.
I guess I'll try to get out of the way without getting stuck.